Building with Papa. All right, has this ever happened to you? Got windy outside, your umbrella was up, and it snapped your umbrella in half. Well, this just happened, and I'm going to show you how to temporarily fix it until you buy a new one. It's real simple, easy, and let's get started. Okay, we don't move the umbrella up and down, so I'm gonna take this piece of 1.5 inch pipe, gonna slide it down to here so that the umbrella will be totally open. All right, take some self-tapping screws. Got 4 screws in there. It should be fine. Pick up the umbrella. Now, until we buy a new one, we can do this. Okay, I put 4 screws in the top, 4 screws in the bottom. That should be enough. Okay, well, I fixed it. Building with Papa. It's a temporary fix, but till we buy a new one, we still have our umbrella. It's not going to go up or down, but my wife likes to feed the squirrels here, so keeps the water from filling up the dishes. All right, it's a temporary fix until we buy a new one, but get a piece of 1.5 inch PVC pipe and some self-tapping screws. You can temporarily fix your umbrella. All right. Well, I've decided to do one more thing to this, because I plan on using this until it absolutely breaks before I buy another one. So, spray paint, so it's not working really well, but for this, it's going to be just fine. Okay, let's check it out. This way I don't have to go and buy a new one right away. We don't open and close it anyway, unless it's real windy. But we usually find out that it was too windy after it has fallen off or out. Or like the last time, just broke. Okay, that's it. That's a temporary fix, which is going to be a permanent fix till whenever I buy a new one. Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Give me a thumbs up. See you on the next one.